the sounds of silence. Pause. Be still a moment and observe what life invites into your life. Be silent a moment and listen to what the other says. You will hear your own voice just below the surface. Swami Kripalavand once said to ask oneself, is what I have to say an improvement on silence? I imagine that when you look out into the world at large and its current state of dismal, or even within your own family, you may sincerely say, yes, what I have to say is meant to bring peace and love. But my dear, you cannot imagine how the other listening will receive your words, or even if they agree. There is a profound power, perfection, and simplicity in silence. Not the kind of silence that denies pain, suffering, war, hate, or retribution. A silence that truly and openly, without bias, waits for the emptiness to be filled. Filled with what? Only the silence can reveal that to you. I will be taking a pause to sit in silence for the near future and wait for what fills me. When you need comforting or inspiring words to support you on your journey, visit my blog and randomly choose an article to read and allow the vibrations of my words to transport you to where you are meant to be. My experience has taught me that when I am open, I always receive exactly what I need at any given moment. In loving service, Heather Indu Marino.